I have another tortilla recipe for y'all, and this one I made out of jalapeños and some cilantro, and they are just as soft and flexible and super delicious with a hint of spice. I added 6 cups of all-purpose flour to my bowl. Along with that, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix that together. And then to this, I'm adding 2 sticks, which is 1 cup of unsalted butter that has been melted. Mixing that just until it comes together and it looks like this. Adding 5 softened jalapeños to my blender along with a handful of cilantro. If you want the tortillas to have more spice, add more jalapeños. 1 cup of whole milk, adding this to my microwave. Heat it up for about 5 minutes. You want this to be super hot. I go in with a fork because it is hot. And then once it cools down, I go in with my hands. I'm going to bring it together and just knead it in the bowl until there is no visible flour. Drop that on my surface. And then I knead it for a good 10 minutes. It's tiring, but it's a good workout. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna form my dough balls. And this is basically how I do it. Just roll it, pinch it, roll it on my surface, and that is it. And I'm gonna continue with the rest. After I've done that, I'm going to dust each dough ball into flour, add them back to my bowl, cover with some saran wrap. I'm also going to cover this with a kitchen towel. You want these to be really covered. I do let my dough rest for a good hour. That's my preference. And after an hour, I start to roll out, and I do stretch in my hands. If you're not comfortable with that, just roll it out. My comal has been preheated on my stove. It's at a 6, which is medium high. Don't have it too high or you're gonna burn your tortillas. Once it starts puffing like that, flip over and your tortilla is going to puff if you did it right. I love puffy tortillas. You just know that you did something right. Place them on a kitchen towel and always have these covered so they do not dry out. And these are all done. They are really, really good. My husband said these are delicious. And we just had these with burritos. You can have them with quesadillas. Just slather on some butter, or you can just eat them like that. They're soft, flexible, and when you go warm them up, they keep nice and soft. I swear, these have that hint of chili, and you could definitely taste it. And this is the way I store it. I just put them in a plastic bag, a Ziploc, and I keep it out for a day, then stick it in my fridge, and it keeps for 2 weeks. Enjoy.